Ohio, Claremont, and Hamilton. Flood watch in effect through Friday evening. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Through Friday evening, excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and small-scale locations. Here is a flood watch for the following counties: Fort Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Gallatin, Graham, Owens, and Pendleton. Flood watch in effect through Friday evening. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Through Friday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses.